Hey guys, what's going on? Radish at Torpedopot.com, Radish Torpedopot.com, and you're looking at our winter garden. Yes, torpedo pots grow 365 days a year. We initially, earlier this year, we planted celery in each one of these planters. And we've been eating over 30 pounds of celery from all of these planters. We planted celery in the middle and they started to grow. But now we just took some carrots and threw them inside of these planters. You see the carrots are starting to grow. Normally in a planter like this, we should be able to get, if you go through 3 harvests of your carrots, I would say you probably can grow maybe about 500 carrots in this one planter. These are torpedo pots, guys. These are self-growing planters that grow your food for you with no human intervention. What they're doing now is growing my radish and my kale and my carrots. And so while most of your seasons are done, mine's it's just started. Take a look at this. We can find ourselves a nice dandy. There's about 50 seeds in this planter. Literally what I did, guys, these are torpedo pots. All you do is that you walk up to these planters and you throw your seeds inside of these planters and they grow your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. And let's see what's inside of here. So my winter is just starting. I'm just enjoying myself. And look what I'm getting here. Look at this, guys. They haven't even started to develop yet. And I'm getting this. And we've been picking many of these. We have hundreds of these radishes that are growing inside of this planter. Actually, I shouldn't be touching these because I just harvested from this planter last week. So I know these are just ones that are still continuing to grow. Let's go to a new planter where I haven't harvested. Let's find some really, really big ones. Like this right here. Let's see if we can find some really big ones inside of here. Can you see that? Look at that. All right. Yeah, they're pretty dense. The reason why I come in is I want to thin them out because they're pretty dense right now. And Mr. Addison has got to come and thin these things out. Oh, there's one. Nah, there's not one there. There's one there. Let's see. Let's find it. Pull it out. Okay, these are my younger ones. But they normally grow about as long as 12 inches long. I've got to thin these out and start using them for food. But torpedo pot grows your food with no human intervention.